Good morning, second graders. Miss Munoz is here. Remember our two colors. Red means I'm going to be writing and you're just going to be stopping and watching. Green means you're going to be writing with me. Okay, we are on page 53 of your student journal today, page 53. Our goal or our objective for today is today I will work to determine if a set has an odd or even number. So this is actually a lesson that you should have already done this year about odd and even numbers. We're just going to be looking at it again. Okay, so in our vocabulary, they kind of remind us what these are. So an even number is a number that is made of groups of two. I want us to underline groups of two because that's how I find it, with none left over. So there's no leftovers in an even number. Okay, and they give us some examples. 2, 4, 6, 8. An odd number is a number that is made of groups of two and it has a leftover. Okay, so we're going to practice doing this today. All right, I am picking up my red pen, so you can set your pencil down for a moment. And here is my first problem. My first problem says, is the number 11 odd or even? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make groups of two using the number 11. So I'm going to count as I make groups of two. So I'm going to make X's. You could use circles, but X's are quick. 1X, 2X, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So notice how when I did it, I made them in groups of two and I just kept counting. So these two have a pair. These are a pair. These are a pair. These are a pair. These are a pair. And here's a leftover one. This tells me that 11 is odd because there was a leftover. Okay, let's try another one. My next number says, is 16 odd or even? Okay, so this time I'm going to draw 16 X's in pairs, and I'm going to count as I'm drawing them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, notice I stopped right here. So when I look at my pairs, everyone has a pair and there's no one left out or nothing left over. That tells me that 16 is even because everything has a pair of and there's nothing left over. Okay, let's try some together. So I'm getting my book back and I am on page 54. Okay, let's read it. Is the number 14 an odd or even number? Prove and explain your thinking. Okay, so we're going to prove our thinking by using a picture or a model. So my number's 14, so we're going to draw 14 X's in pairs of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So look at our pairs. Everyone had a pair and there's nothing left over. That tells us our number is even. So the picture kind of proves it. They want us to explain it. So we could explain it by saying, we do not have any leftovers or any leftover. Okay, let's try another one. Is the number 17 an odd or even number? Prove and explain your thinking. Okay, so we're going to draw 17 X's in pairs of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's circle our pairs. And we have one left over, which tells us it's odd. So this kind of proves it. Now we could explain it by saying we have a leftover. Okay, boys and girls, what I want you to do now is you're going to be turning the page, and I want you to try page 55 on your own. Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.